compression multi that I was talking about. This is what I'll be using to achieve to get this the ponytail, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Then I'll go ahead and cut it into two. Yes, this is two of that. Cut it into two. Then I'll go about and divide it into 3 or 4 portions. Yes, and this is how you do it. You kind of pet the tips so that it won't tangle, then you drag. Yes, exactly how you're seeing it. This is how you go about it. I'm taking it slow so you get it. I'm trying for it to be as detailed as possible. So here, this is the net my ponytail net or ponytail wig cap. This is how it looks like. That is the same one I have pinned to the mannequin head or my dummy head using my pins to make it firm to the mannequin head. And these are my crochet pins. This is a big one, this is the normal one, this is the big size, but I won't be using that. I'll be using the smaller one instead. Yes, the smaller one fits to the size of the loops on the wig cap, the ponytail wig cap. Yes, and this is my multi that I have divided into different sizes. Yes, I'm going to make it as detailed as possible. Yes, for those that don't know how to crochet hair, how to do your crochet hair, this is exactly how you do it. I closed the head of the pin and I pushed it through the net into a random hole. Then I opened the head of the pin, I infused the hair there and I closed it back. Then I pulled through the net or through the wig cap, and then I tied it into a knot. Yes, tied it into a knot. And you can double tie to make it firm. You can double tie the knot to make it firm. I'll be repeating that same action throughout the whole wig in a circular pattern. I'll keep on doing that. I'll pull it through the wig, then tie it into a knot. I'll be doing that throughout till I'm done. I'll be doing it throughout in a circular pattern. To fill the wig cap in a circular motion till that is left to save time. I did that behind the camera. Then what I'm just basically doing now is just looking for empty space to fill in with my leftover. That's what I'm doing, and I'll keep doing that till there's no space. Then a ponytail wig. It's a ponytail wig. Cute. Any place you decide to put it, it's your choice. You can decide to put it at the side, the center, in front. Just your choice. And this is to revive some of the coils that is loose. This is my above oil sheen. This is to make my hair shine, give it that glossy, shiny look, you know. Yes, so this is how I'm going to apply it. So this is how the wig cap looks like. Yes, the ponytail wig cap, and then this is how the inside looks like. This is how the inside looks like. And I've gone ahead to pack my hair into a ponytail. Yes, this is how I packed it, and I packed it high so that my ponytail will be kind of at the center of my hair. You can do yours a little bit down below so that the ponytail can touch your shoulder, but I want it to be at the center of my head. That's why I packed my So I forgot to show you guys how to use the ponytail wig. Yes, it has a rope, an elastic rope with a knot that you can use to tighten the wig to your hair. Yes, you can use it to tighten the wig to your hair. So you just press it and then you pull down to the size of your ponytail knot, and then it will hold firm, like really firm. You can jump with it and it won't fall off. Tips because I really like it for it to be in a kind of round form. I don't want anyone falling out, so I'm just cutting them out as you can see. There are different ways to rock this hair. You can decide to take it forward, you can decide to take it backwards. It all depends on your preference. And the good thing about this wig is that it won't get bad, because when you're done for the day, you just take it off. And there are different ways to rock it. You can decide to rock it with a scarf. Yes, I'm going to be showing you how to use a scarf to rock this hairstyle. Trust me, you will love it. You're gonna slay with this hairstyle. Do well to subscribe if you haven't. Like the video if this video has helped you in one way or the other, and please feel free to share with your loved ones, your friends, you know. And feel free to comment if you haven't.